again to our hello. How are you? How are you, Tom and Ken?
I'm happy.
I'm happy. Wow, very good. You know how to answer. I'm happy. How about Tom? How are you today?
Happy.
I'm happy also. Wow, that's very good to know. And did you already eat? Did you already eat? Yes or no? Did you eat? Did you already eat?
Bạn đã ăn chưa?
Yes.
Yes. Wow, that's very good. So now, are you ready? Ready for our lesson for today?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so now let's start. Let's start our lesson for today. So we have a new lesson. We will start our lesson 3 today, but we are still in our unit 1, which is all about, let's say, how we feel. Let's say how we
How we
feel.
feel.
Okay, very good. Very good, Ken. How about Tom? Let's say, Tom, how we feel.
How we feel.
Okay, how about Tom? I cannot hear Tom. Tom.
How you feel.
Okay, very good. Perfect pronunciation. Next. Okay, so we will start our lesson 3, which is we have here a story. So we will listen.
Story.
Story. Very good. We will listen to a story that we have here. And
Story.
story. Very good. We will listen to a
Story.
story and we will answer some
Story.
questions.
Story.
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 Okay, so
Story.
okay, so now listen to our story.
Page 8, Lesson 3, Story. A. Talk about the pictures. Then listen and read. Are you okay?
Are you?
Ready, set, go! Oh no!
Oh,
Ouch!
No.
Wrong. My
what's
leg
wrong?
hurts.
My
Are
leg
you okay?
hurts.
I think so. Thanks.
Okay. Okay, again, one more
Page
time.
8, Lesson 3, Story. A. Talk about the pictures. Then listen and read. Are you okay?
Are you okay?
Are
Ready,
you okay?
go! Oh no!
Oh no.
Ouch! What's
Ouch.
wrong?
What's
My
wrong?
leg
No.
hurts. Are you okay? I
Are
think
you
so.
okay?
Thanks.
Thanks.
Well,
Okay, wow, good listening skills. So now let's read. Let's read what is our story all about, Tom and Ken. Let's read about the title. Let's say, are you okay?
ready, ready, send go.
Very good. Oh
Oh
no.
no! Ah,
Ouch.
out, out. Was
Wrong.
wrong?
My leg
My leg
hurts.
hurts.
Are
Are you okay?
I think so.
Are you think so?
so.
Thank you.
Thanks. Thank you or
Thanks.
thanks. Very good. So now we have here our story about are you okay? So
Are
let's
you
take
okay?
yeah.
Ready, send go.
Okay. Okay, let's take a look at the picture. In our first picture, Tom and Kian. What do you think are the children doing in the first picture? What are they doing?
Lúc bắt đầu, các em nhỏ đang làm gì?
Let's go.
Let's
Let's go.
go.
Oh, let's go. What are they doing? Are they walking? Are they running?
Cho giáo viên nói sơ đồ với đi.
Are they walking or running?
Họ đang đi bộ hay chạy?
Chạy.
They
Run.
are running. Very good. Let's say they are
They
running.
are running.
Very good. So good job. So the children in the picture, they are running because this is a race. So when we say race, this is where we run to compete with other people. So now let's take a look at this animal. Do you see this animal, Tom and Ken? What animal is this? What animal is this?
Đây là con vật gì?
Dog.
Okay, very good.
It's your dog.
It's a dog. Let's say it's a dog.
It's the dog.
Very good. And now let's take a look at the second picture. What happens? What happened at the second picture?
Oh no.
Oh no, yes. It is what the girl or the
It's
woman
dog.
said. It is dog. As we can see here, the children or the girl here. The girl, she got tripped by the dog's leash.
Leaf.
Dog's lead.
Dog
Leash.
leaf.
Now, can you tell teacher Tom and Ken who gets hurt in the picture?
Ai bị tổn thương?
Emma.
Emma. Oh yes, this is this Emma? But yes,
Có một
this
người
is
tên
Emma. Emma got hurt because
Good. Go.
hurt. Let's say hurt.
See. See.
She, yes, Emma is a girl. Very good. So Emma got hurt. Next, let's take a look at the third picture. So Tom and Ken, what do the other children and adults do when Emma got hurt? What happened?
Những đứa trẻ khác và người lớn đã làm gì khi Emma bị thương?
What happened? Did they help Emma? Did they help Emma? Yes or no?
Họ có giúp Emma không?
There.
Yes, very good. So let's take a look at here. So the children and this woman help Emma. And what did Emma said when she got hurt? What did Emma said when she got hurt?
Emma đã nói gì khi bị thương?
leg.
Okay, again, let's say my leg
My leg.
My leg
hurts. Okay, very good. Again, what did Emma said?
Emma đã nói
when-
gì khi bị thương?
What did Emma say?
My leg. Nurse.
Okay, one more time. Let's say hurt. My
Hurts.
leg hurts.
My leg hurts.
Okay, very good. So now let's take a look at
Oh.
the last
At
picture.
the last.
What happens at the end, Tom and Ken?
Điều gì sẽ xảy ra ở cuối phim?
What
Are
happened?
you okay?
Are you okay?
think
I
So,
think so.
thank you.
Thank you. Tom and Ken, do you think are they happy in the last picture? Are they happy in the last picture?
Họ có hạnh phúc trong bức ảnh cuối cùng không?
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, very good. So at the end, the children are happy and Emma is okay now after she got hurt. So they asked Emma, "Are you okay?" And Emma said, "I think so. Thanks." So we have here the value of our story. which is, we have here, let's say, be kind.
Be kind.
Okay, very good. So when we say be kind, it is, or it means helping each other or helping others using nice words and caring about people's feeling.
Lòng tốt nghĩa là giúp đỡ người khác, dùng lời lẽ tử tế và quan tâm đến cảm xúc của mọi người.
Okay, like what happened in the story, Tom and Ken. So Emma fell because of the dog. However, they helped Emma. And at the end, they asked Emma if she is okay. And that is how you are being kind when someone gets hurt or when someone gets hurt. So you will say, are you okay? When someone is hurt. So that is being
Are
kind.
you okay?
Yes, very good. And also being kind, you share your toys with your friends. Okay, teacher has a question. Tom and Ken, do you share your toys with your friends? Yes or no?
Bạn có chia sẻ đồ chơi của mình với bạn bè không?
Do you share?
Yes.
Okay, wow, you are so kind. So that's it. That is how you are, or how you can be kind. Okay, next. Do you help? Do you help your friends? Tom and Ken, do you help your friends?
Bạn có giúp đỡ bạn bè của mình không?
Yes.
Okay, yes, I do. You say, yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Okay, wow.
Yeah, I do.
Do. Yes, I do. Okay, very good. So that is how you help. You that is how you can be kind to other people, especially your friends, your parents, your mommy, your daddy. So you help them. You use nice words.
Baby.
And baby, okay. You have a baby sister or baby brother? Do you have a baby sister or baby brother, Ken?
Bạn có em gái hay em
Baby.
trai không?
Baby sister, baby brother. Baby
Baby
brother.
brother.
Oh, wow. Do you help your baby brother?
Baby sister.
Oh, baby sister also. Okay. Do you help your baby brother and baby sister?
Bạn có giúp đỡ em trai và em gái của mình không?
Yes.
Oh, wow. You are so kind. So that's
Oh.
it. Huh? No, you don't help your baby brother and baby sister, Tom?
No.
No. Why? Why don't you help them? So it is how you can be kind to other people.
No,
We,
baby.
you don't have a baby brother and baby sister?
There.
Oh, you are the baby brother.
No.
No. You are the only child?
No.
Oh, you have an older brother?
No.
No? Do you have a brother or sister, Tom?
Tom, cậu có anh, chị, em trai hay em gái không?
No.
No. You are the only child.
Bạn là con một phải không?
That.
Oh, that's why. Okay. How about teacher has a question for you, Tom. Do you help your parents or mommy and daddy?
Bạn có giúp đỡ bố mẹ mình không?
Do you help?
That.
Okay, very good. So that is how you can be kind. You help all people. You help your mommy, your daddy, your friends, your sister, and your brother. So that is being or be kind. So are you kind? Are you kind, Tom and Ken?
Bạn có tốt bụng không?
Yes.
Yes, that's good to know. So continue to be kind to other people. Next, so let's have here our story or our first activity. So we will listen and number based on our story if it's correct or not. Okay, let's go to and listen.
Page 9. B. Listen and number.
Okay.
1,
Ready, set, go!
Okay, so Tom and Ken, what is number 1? What did the girl said? Number 1. Do you want to listen again? Okay, let's listen.
1,
Ready, set, go!
Okay, what did the girl said in number 1? What did the girl said?
Cô gái đã nói gì ở câu số 1?
Ready?
Ready, set, go.
Okay, very good. Ready, set, go. So now let's take a look at the pictures. Is picture 1 our number 1?
Ảnh số 1 có phải là ảnh số 1 của chúng ta không?
Is this one ready, set, go? Yes or no? Is this the ready, set, go? Based on our story, do they said ready, set, go?
Đây có phải là lúc sẵn sàng, bắt đầu không?
Yes or no?
Yes.
Is this the one? Ready, set, go? Okay, let's go back to our story here. Let's look at the story. Who did say ready, set, go based on the story? Who said ready, set, go based on the story?
Ai đã nói, chuẩn bị, bắt đầu, dựa trên câu chuyện?
It's
Cô giáo.
this girl. This girl. Okay, very good. So the girl is wearing red or red.
Ready, set, go.
Ready, set, go. So now
Red.
let's
Go.
okay, now let's take a look at the picture. What is the correct for ready, set, go? Picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, or picture 4? What is our answer? Where is our number 1? Picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, picture 4. Ready, set, go. Ready, set.
Set, go.
Yes, ready, set, go. Who did or who said ready, set, go? Is it picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, picture 4?
Picture 4.
Huh? Is it picture 4? This one?
There.
Really? Let's take a look at the story. Is it picture 4?
Picture 1.
Huh? Is it picture 1? Okay, let's take a look. So let's remember this girl is wearing red shirt and red pants. Okay, let's take a look. So picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, or picture 4? Ready, set, go. Who said? Picture 1, 2, 3, or 4? What?
Picture 1.
Is it picture 1? Are they what picture? Are they wearing who is the one wearing
Picture 2.
picture 2, this one?
Picture 1.
This one?
Picture 2.
Who is
Picture 1.
Okay. Wait, who is wearing red shirt and red pants?
Ai đang mặc áo sơ mi đỏ và quần đỏ vậy?
1, 2,
Picture.
3, or 4?
Picture.
Picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, or picture 4?
Teacher.
Teacher? Picture, what number? 1,
Picture
2.
3.
Okay, very good. It's picture 3. So this girl, she said, what did she said? She said, ready, set,
Go.
go. Okay, very good. So this is our number 1. Okay, next, let's listen to number 2.
2,
Ouch!
Ouch.
2,
Ouch!
Ouch. Okay. So now let's take a look at the picture. So for number 2, is it
Number
picture 1, picture 2, or picture 4? Are you sure it's number 1?
1. Picture 1.
Picture 1 or picture 2? Okay.
Picture 1.
What did the girl said? The girl said, ouch. Okay, let's take a look. This one, ouch. So the girl said, or Emma said, ouch.
Picture 3.
So what picture? Oh, picture 3. Let's go back to our activity. So remember this picture. So let's go back to our activity.
Picture 1. Picture 2.
Okay, very good. So picture number 2, Emma said, ouch. Okay, next, number 3.
3,
What's wrong? My leg hurts.
Okay, again.
What's wrong? My leg hurts.
Okay, so the child asks,
Number 3.
what's wrong? My leg hurts. Is it picture 1 or 4? 1 or 4?
Picture 1. Picture 1.
Okay, wow, very good. So it's picture 1. So we will number this number 3. So this boy asks if what's wrong. Emma said, my leg hurts. So that's it. And for our last number,
4,
Are you okay? I think so. Thanks.
okay, again.
Wrong.
4,
Are you okay? I
I
think so. Thanks.
Okay, what did the girl said or the girl asked? The girl asked, are you okay? Are you okay? I think so. Thanks. So what is our number 4? Is it picture number 4?
Are you okay? I just.
Think. Okay, one more time. Let's say think.
Are you sing?
Think. Think.
Are you sing song thành
I
gì?
thanks. Okay, very good. So for our number 4, this is our number 4. Okay, so very good. So that's it. Again, let's read the story that we have. Let's go with number 1.
Ready, set, go.
Okay, one more time. Let's
Ouch.
say set.
Will
Ouch.
my leg. My love.
Okay, let's say what's wrong? Wrong. Can you read this one again? What's wrong? Okay, how about you, Tom? Can you read this one? What's? Let's read. What's wrong? My leg hurts. Hello, Tom. Are you still there? Tom, Tom, Tom. Can you hear Teacher Tom? Can you hear me? Yes or no? Tom, 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 Tom. Are you still there? Okay, again, let's read. Let's say, what's wrong? What's wrong?
What's wrong?
My leg hurts.
My leg
hurts.
Hurt.
Okay, very good. So that's it. Number 4. Let's read number 4. Are you
Are you
okay?
okay?
I think
I said
so.
so.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Okay, very good. So good job. Why is Tom not participating? What are you doing? Okay, now let's listen to the song that we have here,
Oh,
which is also
oh.
about
Was well. Are you okay? Are you okay? Was
Wow.
crack. Are you okay? Are you okay? Out. My name
hurt.
hurts. Oh,
Ouch.
out. My
My
name
leg hurts.
hurts.
Are
Are you
you
okay?
okay?
Are you okay?
Ouch.
Oh,
I think
think
so.
so. Oh,
Yes.
oh, I think so. Yes, I think so. Thanks.
Wow. Good job. Okay. So after that, let's first listen to the song that we have. But Ken did a great job.
Page
Oh,
Let's
9.
listen. Let's
Oh,
Sing.
listen.
what's that?
Sing.
Are you
Are you okay?
okay? Are you okay? What's that? Are you okay? Are you
Ouch.
okay?
What's wrong?
Ouch, my name
Are you
hurts.
okay?
Oh,
Are
okay,
you
my
okay?
name hurts. Are you
What's
okay? Are
wrong?
you okay?
Are
Are
you
you
okay?
okay?
Are you okay?
Ouch. My leg hurts. Ouch. My leg hurts.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
Ouch. I think so. Oh, I think so. Yes, I think so. Thanks.
Thanks.
Hand.
Oops. Ouch.
What's wrong? Are you okay? Are you okay? What's wrong? Are you okay? Are you okay?
Ouch. My hand hurts. Ouch. My hand hurts.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
Ouch. I think so. Oh, I think so. Yes, I think so. Thanks.
Finger.
Finger.
Oops. Ouch.
What's wrong? Are you okay? Are you okay? What's wrong? Are you okay? Are you okay?
Ouch. My finger hurts. Ouch. My finger hurts.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
Ouch. I think so. Oh, I think so. Yes, I think so. Thanks.
Okay, so that's it, Tom and Ken. So we have here questions. So we have here, let's read this one. What's wrong? Are you okay?
Ouch, ouch, what, are you okay? Are you okay? What?
Okay, so for this one, we say ouch. We say
Ouch.
this. We say
this.
this when something
What's
hurts.
with? Are you okay?
Are you okay? So we will ask this. What's wrong? Are you okay? We ask this when we want to know if someone looks hurt or sad. So we will ask this if it is being kind to other people. Because if we know that they are hurting, we will help them. And for our last one, ouch, my leg hurts. So we will say this if something is painful of what we are feeling. So that's it. So next, let's have our next slide here. Okay, so we will listen and say, and after that, we will read and act. Okay.
Page 9. D. Listen and say. Then
Listen,
act.
say, then act.
1,
Ouch! What's wrong?
What's
My leg
wrong?
hurts.
My leg hurts. Okay, so now let's read this one, Tom and Ken. So let's say,
Ouch!
ouch.
My
What's
was
what's
wrong.
what's wrong? Let's say wrong.
What's wrong? What's
My
wrong? My name hurts.
okay, again, Tom, let's say wrong. What's wrong?
What's long?
Wrong, wrong. Wrong. R,
Long.
R. Wrong.
Long.
Very, very good. My leg.
My leg hurts.
My leg hurts. Again, let's try to read it
Ouch!
at the beginning. Let's say, ouch.
Ouch!
What's wrong? So we read it as R, not L. So wrong. Let's say, wrong. What's wrong? So we ask this again, Tom and Kes. We ask this if we want to know if someone is hurt. And we will say,
My leg hurts.
my leg hurts. Very good.
My leg hurts.
Yes, as we can see,
Ouch!
ouch. As we can see here in the picture, so the girl has a wound on her legs. So the mother asked, what's wrong? The girl said, my leg hurts. So this is her leg. Okay, so next, let's move on to our number 2. Number 2, let's read it. Ouch.
Ouch!
What?
What's wrong?
What's
What's wrong?
Okay, very good. My hand.
My hand hurts.
Very good. My hand. My hand hurts. Again, let's say hurts.
Hurts.
Very good. How about Tom? My hand
My hand
hurts.
hurts.
Okay, very good. So now let's take a look at the picture. So there is a boy and there is a father. So let's look at the hand of the boy. It has a wound. So the boy said, my hand hurts. Can you show teacher where is your hand? Tom and Ken, where is your hand? Can you show teacher where is your hand?
Em có thể chỉ cho cô giáo vị trí tay của em được không ạ?
Okay, very good. So this is hand, like in the picture. So the boy's hand was hurt. So he tell it to his father. Next, let's take a look or let's read. Let's say, ouch. Ouch.
Ouch.
What?
What's wrong? My finger hurts.
Okay, my finger hurts. How about Tom? Let's read. Ouch. Ouch.
What's
What?
wrong? What's wrong?
Very good. My
My finger. My finger
Hurts. Let's say hurts.
hurts.
Okay, now teacher has a question. What body part is hurting in our last picture? What body part?
Trong bức ảnh cuối cùng, bộ phận nào trên cơ thể đang bị đau?
Finger.
Finger. Very good. So as we can look here, the finger of the boy has a wound. So he's very good. One finger, one little, two, little, three. Do you know that's a good?
One
Four,
little,
six,
one
little,
little, two little, three little, four, five
four,
little, six little, seven little, ten little, nine little, 10, 11, 10 my finger.
Wow, wow. Ken is a very good singer. Okay, as we can look here, the finger of the boy is hurt. So that's why he told the girl, my finger hurts. So this sentence structure, this is what we use for us to tell other people or our mommy and daddy if something hurts. For example, your finger hurts. So you will tell your mommy and daddy, my finger hurts. If your hand hurts, my hand hurts. Okay, so that's it. So that's it for our story that we have. So I think you did a great job for today, Tom and Ken. Oh, so for goodbye to you. So we will goodbye. Wait, we will review this lesson in our next, I think on Sunday, we will review this story. So we will play a game next Sunday. So make sure to review the story that we have here about Are You Okay? Because we will review this one. Okay? Okay, okay. So make sure to review the story, Tom and Ken. Okay? Okay, so thank you very much for your time today, Tom and Ken. So make sure again to review the lesson that we have, the story. So about Are You Okay? And also make sure to review the sentence structure that we have, which is ouch, what's
Ouch.
wrong?
What's wrong?
Are you
Are you okay? Are you okay?
My leg?
My leg hurts.
Okay, very good. So that is what we will play in our next lesson. Okay, okay.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Okay. So thank you very much for your time today, Tom and Ken.
Bye, teacher.
Goodbye. See you again next Sunday. We will play a game, okay? So make sure to review. Goodbye. Thank you
Goodbye,
so
teacher.
much. Goodbye, Ken and Tom. Smile now, Tom. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye, goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, teacher.
Thank you. Bye-bye.